Hello everyone. A few weeks ago, Softr released their workflow features along with the database, and now it's going to be possible to have the front end and the back end directly inside one app. So no need to rely on Airtable anymore for the back end. It's possible to have everything in Softr. So that's why I have more and more customers requiring to use only Softr as a database and as a front end, and they need to, of course, import their document generation inside Softr. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate PDF through the Softr workflow. So first, of course, you need to start a new app. It's not a mandatory step, but as I don't have an app here, of course, I need to make sure that I start from scratch. Perfect. I'm going to use Softr Database, but first I'm going to show you what my database looks like. So if you have already watched some of my videos, I have this database in Airtable, and I reproduced it in Softr. So I have users, product, company as a table, and I have different type of data that I play with to show you how to implement Typeflow. So in my case, I'm going to use a Typeflow.us demo database from Softr. So Softr Database, continue, creating the app. And now what I need to do is to connect my database. So for example, I can go there, select the database, sorry, and I select, for example, for this page, the users table. So now I have all the data from the users table that is shown here. So it works well. And now what I want to do in this screen is to generate PDF. So how can I do that? I can add actions here, and at the top bar, as you can see, we have already the add record. And now I'm going to add another button in the item buttons for each item from my user table. So add item button. And now here I'm going to run a custom workflow. So that's it. I'm going to name it, let's say, generate PDF with workflow Softr. That's it. Oh, it's a bit long, so just generate PDF. And now here, what I can do is to select a workflow. So right now I don't have one, and I'm going to set it up with you in this video. So I'm going to create a new workflow. Okay, run custom workflow. And from there, I need to configure it. So how can I do that? First, I'm going to close it. What I'm going to do first is to name it Typeflow.us Softr demo. That's it. I close it. And now I want to send data to the workflow to then generate PDF. So in my case, I'm just going to use name. I can select the record that I want to generate PDF with. So that's it. And here, email. And I select email. So when I'm going to generate a PDF, for example, for this one, generate PDF, the workflow is going to take the correct data to send to the PDF generation. So in my case, the name would be Kevin Rabesaotra, and the email would be the email associated with this record. Of course, I can add other field, but for the purpose of the video, I don't add any more field, because if you look at my template, it's a basic one with just email and name. So after that, what I need to do is to click on preview. So it opens a new tab with the app in mode preview, and I'm going to click on generate PDF. Why do I need to do that? Oh, first I need to publish it. So let me go back here, publish it, publish. So why do I need to do this step to see the app in preview? It's to make sure that I send data to the workflow and then to keep implementing the workflow. So I click on generate PDF. Okay, perfect. Now I go back here, edit workflow, and now if I click here, I can go to the testing tab and click on test. And now, as you can see, I have access to those data, and we are going to need those data to keep implementing the workflow. So from there, I'm going to add a new action, and I'm going to call the API. Okay. So here, what I need to do is to use the method post and to add this URL, this API create PDF. Okay, from the header, I need to go there to relation bearer, and I'm going to navigate to my space, to the developer space, to make sure that I have my API key. So I'm going to copy it. That's it. And now I passed it here. Now in the request body, how does it work? I can open it. Up. I need the JDoc ID. So JDoc ID, basically it's this part of the URL, so it's to make sure that I use the right template. JDoc ID. Now variable. Exactly. And inside the variable, I'm going to add the data. So email. And now what I can do is to use that. And if I click on this, I can have access to run custom workflow data, the data that has been received by the custom workflow. So I click here, and now with the email, I click here, email. Now I can do that again. I'm going to put the name. Oh, I forgot one step. Name. That's it. Okay, maybe it's better if I do like that. And that's it. Now we are good. And if I close that and I try to run the process, it should work. So I don't know why I can't scroll to the bottom. Let's try. Okay. Oh, it looks like I have an error. So the error was simple. I forgot to put those characters here. And now if I close that and I try to do some testing, test again, it works. So now I received another set of data. And what we are going to need is at this part, the PDF URL, as you can see. Okay. Perfect. So now I add a new action. And what I need to do is to update a record here. In users, select record ID from the previous step. So run custom flow. So up. Okay, so what I'm going to do from the previous step is that, okay, here, as you can see in the table, I created this field, the field record ID. So what I'm going to do is to go there, record ID, value, record ID. So I need that information. So as you can see now, I receive the record ID and I'm going to use it in the update record. So here, what I need to do is to go there, run custom workflow. So, okay, here I can click. So I added the PDF file to update. So if I click here, I can select the PDF URL here. Okay, and if I click on this button, I can test. And now let's see if it has been updated. PDF file, it looks like yes. Let's check. I go to the database and now, okay, we have the PDF that has been generated with the right information. Now let's try the whole workflow. So I can close that. So what I'm going to do, so this is optional. If you want to generate mini PDF in a row, please deactivate it, but it's up to you. So how we are going to try that? Update, confirm publishing. Perfect. Now I go to the database. I've removed this one. I close that. Let me click on preview. And now I want to generate a PDF with this one. That's it, it's running. Okay, the workflow has been completed. Now let's check. Okay, the PDF is here. And if I open that PDF file, so maybe I need to update like that. Yes, now I can access the PDF. So I need to refresh the page, unfortunately. But that's it. I hope it was helpful. Feel free to reach out to me if you need any help in terms of implementation. I'm aware that it requires a bit of technical skills, playing with API and etc. And I hope to release soon an integration, so you won't need to play with the API and etc. So feel free to reach out to me, of course, if you need any help.